Now, there are some hidden connections in these quadrants that I would like to highlight, and maybe you can relate to them. So, the first connection you can see is between making films, documentaries, and TV shows and how fiction impacts reality. Many films that we watch are actually work of fiction, and they are based on probably fictional books. They are written for films. Let's take example of something like Kung Fu Panda. It's an amazing film. It's based on fictional characters, but it tells a story that probably everybody can relate to. It talks about the journey of a panda, how that panda tries to learn Kung Fu, what kind of challenges he faces in his life, and how he overcomes them. I believe every single student can relate to Kung Fu Panda, and it can help them in real life when they are going to face challenges. So, must watch movie. You can also see how this particular field is related to analyzing works of other artists and filmmakers. When I watch movies of foreign filmmakers, I understand about their art and culture. I can see their unique perspective, specifically the Korean filmmakers. They're pretty creative. I know you may have been exposed more to American cinema, Hollywood. Marvel, DC, they're also fantastic characters. So this is how there are some hidden connections in these quadrants. Let's talk about the second one, designing concept and arts. Like I said, art shapes society. It transforms us as human beings, pushes us to become better version of ourselves. So whenever I see a work of art, it speaks to me and it triggers my creativity. When I go to nature, I find that nature is the greatest artist. It can make you think about life deeply. You'll be surprised to know that so many art characters are based on animals. And maybe they are imaginary, but they're based on real animals. And I try to create those kind of characters in my sketching, painting, and sculpting. So that's how there are connections between these items that you see on the vision board. Now, when you make a vision board for yourself, you should also try finding connections because they will help you arrive at a vision statement for yourself. Like I have arrived at a vision statement